Welcome to another edition of Xbox Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Zzzones Flex pillow. This is the pillow that shapes and forms uniquely to you, and you can kind of see here on the end some of the features here with the Zzzones Flex. This is going to be a queen size, which is 19 by 29 inches. It has a memory metal adjustable fit. It is a memory foam and microfiber pillow, and it does come with a carrying case. So let's open it up and take a look. It does let you know, please read the quick start manual to set up your custom Flex. And here on the back, you can see it lets you know you can explore the shapes and forms uniquely to you. A few examples: you can make a U shape, a contour shape, a flat side and back sleepers, contours for head and neck support, and a reverse V armrest sleeper. So lots of different ways to conform it to have it work best for you. And here you have your carrying case. Let's pull that out. Take a quick look at that. So nice canvas case that you can put it in and cinch it up, and it's got the handle so you can take it with you when you're on the go, which is kind of cool. And here you have the pillow itself. You do also have all of your instructions on the best way to use this, all the steps to get it to the way you need it to be. They include that in there, all the instructions on how to set it up. And you also get extra memory foam to be able to adjust it as well. You can, as it says, add or remove the foam to adjust the fit of the pillow. So that's included as well. Now we need to open this up so that it can puff out and magically turn into a pillow. Now here is the pillow. Now it's going to take some time for it to fully puff out and to take shape. When it's been packed like that, airtight sealed, it's nice and flat, but over the next hour or so, that foam, well, you can see it's already flexing out, but you have to give it a little bit of time for it to fully flex out. And then what's unique about this is I can feel inside here, there's like a metal bar inside here. That is what is used to like really shape the pillow. Aha, so you can see this here. This is kind of the unique part of this pillow. This is attached in there. And let's see if we can unzip this. Yeah, so you can see in there. You can see it has these metal pieces that are in there, and that's what really allows you to shape this pillow and make it specifically shaped to you. So this is not like any other memory foam pillow. And then you can see you got fluffing on the top and fluffing on the bottom. So this isn't just your standard memory foam pillow. This is a completely new, unique design that's made so that having those bars in the center, what that does is it allows you to shape it differently, use it different ways. You can see those rods in there. They're soft and moldable. So, for example, see how I bent that up and that stays up. So those rods that are in there, they're very flexible, so that you can get this exactly how you need it for you, and in the way that feels right for you, for your neck, for whatever shape you want it to be. So you can get it into the form you need. Using both, you've got the memory foam on the top and the bottom, but then you've got those rods underneath to help get it into the shape that works best for your neck. And again, of course, you have these instructions on the different ways to turn it into the perfect pillow for you, because we're all different, we all sleep differently, we all have different ways that our neck works with our pillow, and this allows you those unique metal bars allow you to shape this to work perfectly with your neck. So I love that it has that in there, and I'm looking forward to using it myself, because I've had neck problems for the last couple of years, and I know the sleeping and having the right pillow is one of the key factors of that. So it looks very promising in the way that you can actually contour it and get it to fit the way it needs to fit for you. Really cool product. And of course, this is just an unboxing, and that's everything that you get in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. Stay tuned. I'll be doing a full review video after I've had time to put this to use. So stay tuned for that. Please click that like button. Share this video with anyone you know who might be interested. If you are interested in it, there's a link down in the description below you can click to pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. But of course, probably a lot of those will be answered in my follow-up review. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.